The topic of today's video is how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. Now, the real reason people usually search this up is because they can't seem to find the option. Like as you can see on my one, you can see we've got chat, meet, communities, calendar, activity, and on this same tab is where call should be. But in order to make calls, you need a call plan. And I've put all the calling plans up on the screen here. You can see we go from $10 all the way up to $22. Or you can purchase Microsoft 365 E5 for $54.75. Oh, no, I actually stand corrected because it says no Teams. It's just kind of weird that they would put it here on choose your Teams plans, but anyways. So yes, if you don't see the call feature, it's because you need to purchase that, and then the call option will be available on that sidebar. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.